What's going on, everybody? Marty Rides here, bringing you another dickhead video. Sorry for the last video, the audio was a little messed up. Not messed up, but I wasn't talking loud enough and you can hear the bike and the wind over me. So sorry about that. I need a new fucking chin guard for my helmet because the one I got right now is kind of worn out, and that's what's allowing all kinds of air to freaking come into the helmet. But right now I'm just going to Cycle Gear to check out what specials they got, cause your boy is trying to come up on some Black Friday deals, you feel me? But yeah, let's see what they got. So today's topic of the video is gonna be, how is it using a sport bike as a daily driver or something like that? Because, you know, I just wanna, if you guys are ever thinking of, you know, daily driving or commuting with a sport bike, watch this video. Don't exit out, none of that. No mames. Took off. But yeah, back to the topic of how is it commuting on a sport bike. Honestly, when I first started, commuting on a sport bike fucking sucked, man. I wasn't used to it, but that's all I had at the time. So at the beginning, if you ever start commuting, what you're really gonna hate is the position. You could always get bars and like bring them up a little higher and it'll be a little bit more comfortable. You know, like a FZ07, FZ09, like those bikes are pretty comfortable. But like my stock high sport bikes, I'm talking like with fairings, not the fairing, like the naked ones. The naked ones, I feel like they're a little bit more made for commuting, but like I'm talking about this specific bike type, if that makes sense. But you're gonna hate the seat position at first because you're not gonna be used to it. You're like slouched over a bunch. That's why sometimes I'm like this, because my back is starting to hurt like after a while. So yeah, you're gonna hate the freaking position of how you're sitting. That's one thing. I'm also riding with my brother-in-law.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Another thing, this varies from person to person, but the sound of a sport bike, yes, it sounds all nice, you know, when you're going fast and all, but the sound of just cruising, you know, going to wherever you have to go, at some point it does get annoying. Not annoying like a little bit, but I'm talking like annoying like a lot of bit, man, because you're gonna come this way. Yes, I could be nice while I'm riding, guys. Don't be surprised that I let that guy pass. I could be nice. But let me go to Cycle Gear real quick and I'll talk to you guys when I'm back. Alright guys, just left Cycle Gear. We're on the freeway currently. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I can't hear shit right now because of my music, so if I'm talking too loud, that's my bad. But where did I leave off at?
On me.
Huh?
It's dying on me, like there's no power. Like right now when I went into and I tried going, there's a light. There's a light that goes like that. And it just killed it.
Try take her over there. We're gonna stop over there.
Maybe the kickstand?
It could be it. But it's not loose. And does it turn on back fine?
Yeah.
Huh. What do you want to do?
I don't care. Keep on going. We're going down this way. Right here to what?
Nike?
Yeah.
So you're going to take this road down?
Yeah, if you hear me like rev or beep, it's because of that. It's on like nothing.
Alright, so my brother-in-law's bike just died. I don't know why. But where I leave off at? I think it was the sound. Yeah, after a while of you like hauling ass, that shit gets real annoying. Yeah, this is Black Friday shopping for all of you. Thank you.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
So I was saying the sound, right? Yeah, hearing the bike all the time kind of sucks. Another thing that commuting, I mean, it happens to everybody. It's if you just have a bike like me, it sucks. When the weather sucks, it sucks when it like you have to ride somewhere. Cause I mean, let's say it's raining. Who the fuck likes to ride in the rain? I don't. I mean, I do it, but I really don't like riding in the rain. So weather could play a big role. Weather could play a big old role in how it's gonna be riding. Another sucky part about commuting on a bike is the weather. If the weather sucks, your riding experience that day will suck. My brother-in-law's about to go already. He's going to Ventura, and I just want to go home already. I'm just trying to go home already because I got shit to do right now. Hey! Hey! Fuck. Nope. Oh shit. My bad, guys, for yelling. But I didn't want this guy to get stopped because his tags are expired and no license or insurance. So yeah, fuck that. Fortunately, I cannot be speeding right now since there's a cop up ahead. Psych. Nah, fuck that. Nah, but yeah, weather could, like, if that's all you have to commute on a bike, weather, you're gonna have to get used to that. Another thing that you may not like is the seat. I have thought of swapping out the seat for, you know, a better one that has a lot more cushion or something, because the stock seats are never ever good. Stock seats just in general aren't good. I don't know why. That's one thing I cannot answer. They should put a little bit more love into the seats. But if you're gonna commute, you might want to invest into a seat. Because I mean, it's your ass that we're talking about. Who doesn't like sitting comfortably? Like, come on. I know I do. Get yourself a real bike right here at Harley Davidson's in Ventura. Damn, he just got a new helmet and that shit looks badass. It's a newer version of the helmet that I have on right now. I have a K3SV, but his, damn, that shit looks sexy with the mirrored visor. Like the chrome one, I have the blue mirrored visor, but the chrome visor mirrored, damn, man, that shit looks nice.
Hello, darkness, my old
Great save, bro.
I've come to talk with you again.
We are back in town, guys. No more freeway. Now, here's a little positive about commuting on a sport bike, or, you know, a motorcycle in general, is gas. Guys, if I just go to work, gym, and ride just a little bit, every month I would pump 3 times. And every time I pump, I try to top off all the way, so, you know, so I won't be like out of gas earlier, you know, and all that shit. But I pump gas 3 times. I only pump tops $13. 3 times 13, that's $39 a month in gas. And keep in mind, sometimes I just ride for the fuck of it, make YouTube videos. I still pay $39 for gas a month. That's a month. Gas for this, gas here in California, expensive, I'll give you that. But if you ride a motorcycle, you'll be fine. Cause, well, it depends how you ride it also. Oh shit, the light screen can't even stop. But like gas right now, like $4 right now. Yes, it's a lot. Maybe for people that are in Texas or something, but that's why I also ride a motorcycle daily, because gas is so much cheaper. I used to drive a little Honda. Yeah, Honda saves gas, but not like this. Not like a motorcycle. A motorcycle's on a whole nother level. Another thing that you get for daily driving a motorcycle is the looks from people. Like, no, sometimes I'll catch people staring, and I'll say like I'll do a little head nod or say what's up or something, and they just fucking turn the other way, don't say what's up. Like, what kind of shit is that? If I'm saying what's up, you know, give me a little head nod. Just accept the fact that I caught you staring. I don't know, some people like the attention, some people don't. I personally don't like the attention. At times, depends. Depends on what situation I'm getting the attention. Here in my city, very rarely do I see like motorcycles getting stopped. Yes, I see them here and there, but rarely do I see motorcycles getting stopped by cop cars mainly. But that's just here in my town. I don't know about your guys' town, how it is or shit like that. Also, if you're watching this thinking of commuting, make sure you buy some gear. Because gear could save your life. I don't wear gear. I don't wear gear because, you know, financially I maybe don't have the money to pay it. Or I don't really want to give out like too much information, but I wear gear at times. Like I really don't find it necessary wearing a jacket. Maybe there is a reason like that you should be wearing a jacket, but I don't find it necessary. If you're just like going to the store, you don't need to fucking wear a whole suit or a jacket. You can wear, you know, a sweater, you know, chill. But at the same time, there could be those stupid ass drivers that hit you, and so it goes both ways on the gear. But if you do, I recommend buying gear just in case, you know, hopefully nothing happens, but just in case something happens and a car freaking hits you. Also, another positive about riding a motorcycle, I don't know if it's anywhere, but mainly here in California, you get places a lot faster since we could lane split. And I lane split. If I see a hole that I could fit, I would try to lane split it. Like right now, I'm gonna try to lane split this side because the other side, I don't know. Damn, that was like fucking close as fuck. Woo! Damn, that was some close ass lane splitting, man. Holy shit. Nah, but yeah. If you're thinking of commuting on a motorcycle, I don't know why you would want to do it. I mean, it's cool and all, but it sucks at times. Just, I don't know. I can't tell you what to do, but fuck it. Try it out, see if you like it. And if you like it, shit, that's good. And if you don't, if you're trying it, it means you have a car, so keep driving that fucking car and keep the motorcycle as a weekend warrior. But yeah, that's gonna be all, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys are new, make sure to subscribe. I post every other day. Like, comment, give me some feedback on this video, and yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch, so I two-tone.